Steve Moranti here at US GovBid, and I'm here today at Monmouth County, and we're going to be offering this Jet Ranger, this Bell 206 B3, at public auction on May 17th. Okay, this helicopter, this 206 B3, this Jet Ranger with very, very low flight hours,
with a total of 2,560.0 hours.
It's a long lifespan left on this helicopter.
A fresh annual inspection was just completed in April of 2014 with new 36-month T-straps.
It's been well maintained by the county.
This aircraft was always serviced and maintained by an authorized Bell helicopter service facility.
All the details are here on US GovBid, all the flight records, all the flight maintenance records, photo gallery. You can call the county and make an appointment with the pilot for viewing. The auction opens May 17th, 2014. We'll run 30 days online up until June 17th. Closes at June 17th, 2014.
The Jet Ranger 3 has been owned by the county since new and maintained and serviced by Bell. And there's only 2,560.0 hours of flight time.
Don't forget, May 17th, online, US GovBid, a one-owner helicopter.